fit inside that?
And why was it even in there at all?
Isn't it obvious? Our Winnie is a pack rat.
My special, organic, small batch, dry-aged catnip. Go ahead, try it.
Catnip, huh? Well, okay. Sorry. Allergy. Uh-oh.
Oh, what's that smell?
It's, my own bespoke brand of perfume.
What kind of perfume smells like that?
It's called, Eau de Garbaggio. Only the most sophisticated noses can appreciate its rich, musky undertones. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I get it now. It's like so radically ripe.
Whoa, who dealt it?
What did I say about sophisticated noses?
Cleo!
Hey, Cleo! Awesome party!
As if your friends are a bunch of rude, disgusting animals.
They can't change who they are. Like I always say, what's inside you always comes out.
Oh, no.
Ow!
The best way to deter a predator is with natural chemicals. Huh?
Oh, aye, that's a bonny idea. Quick, fill him up with these baked beans.
Can't eat any more beans.
Oh, dinny worry. You just let them bad boys percolate in your innards. And tomorrow, you'll be a walking weapon!
You know, we didn't even want to fight in the first place. It was just all of you making us.
Yeah, it was a stupid idea that doesn't prove anything. I mean, aren't all of us real animals? Sure, you pets are hand-fed and we find our own food. You're walked on a leash and we're free to roam wherever, but we all have 4 legs and fur on our backs. Oh. Well, most of us have fur. The point is we are all equal.
Elliot?
They made me eat beans!
He did it! It worked! Elliot won!
No! Sugar and I agreed there'd be no winners! It's not right! Ah, I'm so sorry, Sugar! I'm sorry!
I think we can all finally agree there are certainly no winners here.
Any chance I could sleep at the Pet Palace tonight? No? Okay, just asking.